welcome to my channel. And today we are going for another head wrap style that we can rock to party without waiting for that artist. You know those artists, they used to do one kind accord sometimes, so we're going to break that barrier right away. I'm going to be showing you how you can do it by yourself at the comfort of your home without no stress. And those things that we normally have for our head wrap, though I don't know if you are going to use all of this, but I guess we can still make use of them. Of course, you see my rubber band in my wrist, my pins are here, right? And this is a brooch with me to beautify, and we're going to dive into using a very soft material to take us today. This is ashoke, but it is a very soft one, and it is in 3 layers. This is the first one, second one, and third one. I don't know if you have ashoke, you should know how we join them together. You have to join like 2, 3, 4 together to make one like this. So I have 3 here, and we're going to be using it to create these. I have pins, I have rubber band, I have my brooch, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is spread it out like this, and I'm going to fold it. You know it is 3. I'm going to close it up to give me 1. So that is 1. This is 2, right? So I've covered it up with the middle part. So I've made it 1. Excuse me, please. So this is it, right? From the back, guys, come and see you. Come and see you. Ignore my hair. Watch what I'm showing you. So I'll plait from the back like this. Okay, like this, and I'm directing it forward like this. This is my rubber band. I'm going to use it to grab it. I told you, you don't have to stress it. Maybe it's for you to just look good, right? With your head wrap. Yeah, you can do it yourself. So I already grab it with band. So what I have is these 2 parts. So let's create something with it. This 2 goes up just bit by bit, and I'm grabbing it with band. Can you see that? So these 2 we just go on a side direction like this. So we don't secure them at the back. You knot it, get it secured. Get the extra secure by knotting. After that, you know, we have this. You can just come around and just remove the excess fabric here. See what you are getting. You see what you are getting for free. It's for free, oh. And I said that you guys should hit on the subscribe button and follow for simple tutorial like this that you're going to enjoy for free. You're showing attitude. Okay now. So me, I like to adjust very well. I'm going to adjust. If you want to cover up the middle, instead of dipping it in the way, you just close it up and use your pin to grab it. So I just adjusted the back, my hair on it, and this is giving me, I have to show my hairline, so I shifted that a bit backward. Did I stress? I did not stress. It's just me creating something, and this is so nice. So when you have your band, we didn't even use pin, do you remember? So when you have your band, you have your material, then you are good to go. This band, if it is not a color that matches your fabric, you don't want to leave it this obvious. Let me come close. Can you see? So what do we do? Somebody tell me, what do we do? We had a brooch to beautify and to cover the band. Oh yeah, let's do that. This is the brooch. Just dip it into the band and clip it up, and lo baton, and you have this, and we're good, right? Tell me thank you in the comments if you appreciate what I just did. I love you guys. I love you, my loves. So I'll see you in my very next one. I hope you're expecting it very soon, like so soon. I'll see you guys. Bye.